In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button click to pop up in Wix easily. We'll be taking you through the process step by step, so you can add a visually engaging interaction to your website in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, on the left-hand side, you'll find various options to enhance your site. Click on the Add Elements tab. This is your gateway to a plethora of widgets and components that can make your website more dynamic, including the feature we're focusing on today. After clicking Add Elements, you're going to navigate to something called Interactive. Interactive elements are fantastic because they encourage visitors to engage with your site, making it more than just a static page. Once you've clicked on Interactive, look for the Subscribe option. While you're not creating a subscription feature per se, this route will guide you toward what we need, a pop-up lightbox. Now, choose a pop-up lightbox from the options displayed. A lightbox is essentially a pop-up that overlays the current page, catching your visitors' attention. You want this to be visually appealing yet not intrusive, so take a moment to select one that suits the aesthetic of your website. Next, configure your lightbox by clicking on Set Triggers. This is a crucial step because triggers dictate how and when your pop-up appears. They can be set for various actions like page loads, time spent on a page, or in this case, a button click. After setting the appropriate triggers, you'll want to go to your Lightbox page settings. Here, you need to ensure automatic display is set to No, to prevent it from opening without an action. Once you've set your preferences, close this dialog and head back to work on the button. Click on Pages and Menu, which will open a list of all the pages on your site. Here, navigate to your home page or whichever page you intend your button to be on. Back on your home page, locate the button you want to link. The Learn More button is a good example of one that might prompt further engagement. Click on it and then click on Link. In the linking options, select Lightbox. This will allow you to link the button to the pop-up you just configured. Finally, when prompted to choose a page, select the pop-up you created earlier. Once everything is linked properly, click Done. And just like that, you've set up a button click to pop up on your Wix site. Remember, you can go back and tweak any of these settings to better fit your needs or design preferences. With these steps, you've added a layer of interactivity to your website that can help engage and inform your visitors more effectively. Happy editing!